Every night, millions of people make the same mistake. They eat late, sometimes at 10 p.m., sometimes at midnight. Thinking, it's okay, food is food. But what if I told you that eating late at night silently destroys your digestion, weakens your heart, damages your sleep, and slowly adds years to your biological age? In the next 7 minutes, I will show you the shocking science behind late night eating, what really happens inside your stomach, your brain, and your hormones. And why this small habit may be more dangerous than you think. Let's begin. At night, your body enters repair mode. Your cells heal, hormones reset, and your digestive system prepares to rest. But when you eat late, especially heavy meals, your body faces a conflict. It must choose between two things. Heavy checkmark digest food. Or heavy checkmark. Repair your body, and the truth is simple, your body cannot do both at the same time. So the healing stops, and digestion starts slowly, irregularly, and with more pressure. When you eat late at night, the stomach produces acid, but your metabolism is already low. This leads to acid reflux, bloating, gas, indigestion, heartburn, constipation. Next morning, a study showed that eating late slows digestion by nearly 50%. Food stays longer in the stomach, creating discomfort and inflammation. And this is why you feel heavy, tired, or bloated the next morning. Here's the hidden problem most people don't know. At night, your insulin sensitivity drops. This means your body cannot process sugar properly. So when you eat late, especially rice, roti, pasta, bread, or sweets, your blood sugar goes high. But insulin cannot manage it. What happens next? Heavy checkmark excess sugar becomes stored fat. Heavy checkmark mostly around the belly. Heavy checkmark leading to weight gain and increased diabetes risk. Late night eating is scientifically linked to bigger belly fat, higher blood sugar, higher cholesterol, increased heart strain. When you eat late, your stomach is full. Your digestive system is working hard. And your brain remains active. This directly harms your sleep. How? Heart rate stays high. Stomach sends signals to the brain. You wake up tired. Deep sleep reduces. Dreams become chaotic. Body repair slows down. Poor sleep means heavy checkmark brain fog. Heavy checkmark weaker memory. Heavy checkmark stress increase. Heavy checkmark hormonal imbalance. Heavy checkmark faster aging. Late night eating affects 4 major hormones. 1. Insulin. Blood sugar goes up, fat storage increases. 2. Melatonin. This sleep hormone drops, insomnia increases. 3. Cortisol. The stress hormone rises, you feel tired and irritated in the morning. 4. Ghrelin, hunger hormone. Becomes confused, making you crave more food next day. So you eat late, sleep badly, feel tired. And next day you eat more. This creates a dangerous cycle. When digestion happens at night, your heart must pump harder and faster. This increases the risk of high blood pressure, nighttime heart stress, poor oxygen flow, palpitations. And the liver, which is supposed to detox at night, gets stuck digesting food. So toxins stay longer in your body, leading to inflammation, poor skin, fatigue, and mood swings. So what's the solution? Here is a simple, powerful night routine. Heavy checkmark eat dinner 3 hours before sleep. Heavy checkmark keep dinner light, dal, vegetables, fish, roti, or soup. Heavy checkmark avoid rice, sweets, and heavy fried foods. Heavy checkmark drink warm water 30 minutes after eating. Heavy checkmark walk for 10 minutes, improves digestion 2x. Heavy checkmark keep phone away at least 45 minutes before sleep. Your night routine decides your morning energy. Your stomach controls your mood, your sleep, and your long-term health. If you stop eating late, your body will reward you with better digestion, deep sleep, stable weight, and a calmer mind. Protect your night. And your night will protect your body. Thank you for watching.